Hello. Hello friends, and welcome back to another episode of Tiny Tips and Tutorials. Sylvia here from Sylvan Starlight Creations. Today I am going to go over a money saving tip for your mixed media art journals or other mixed media projects. It is essentially about saving your trash. Yes, I said trash. I keep this little bin here full of random things to use in my art journals or other mixed media projects. It's full of, different random things. Some of the larger items I'm obviously saving for bigger, more dimensional mixed media projects. But today I'm actually going to talk about packaging and tags and such, and how I use those in my art journal. So I have some dress tags, some other random packaging, tags for my mini palettes and things like that. And I am going to use those today to create texture and a background in my art journal. I will end up finishing the page off camera, and if I get it done in time, I'll actually post it at the end of this video. So give me just a second to pull my art journal around, and I will go ahead and get started. All right, welcome back. So all I've really done here is just get my art journal ready. So that means I've glued my two pages together for a little bit of extra stability. I put wax paper behind my pages so whatever wet media I use doesn't soak right through. And I like the tape down the middle. This is actually the washi tape that I made. I've got a video showing how I made it. I will link it at the end of this video and in the description box below. Of course, I'm working on my nonstick craft mat. But I've gone ahead and just picked out a few of the tags. I deliberately tore some of them because they were too big. And I'm just going to glue them down onto my page. One of the things I like about using this sort of thing is they've got a little bit of difference in texture and like thickness and that sort of thing. And it ends up adding a little bit more texture and interest to my page. So to glue this down, you can use your Dylusions glue stick or my gel medium. I haven't decided which one I'm going to use at this point. But that's it. I'm just going to glue them into my page once I figure out an arrangement that I like. And of course I'll complete the art journal page off camera, and hopefully I will get it done before I upload this video so I can put a picture down at the end. But it's just another fun little way to save money. And I am actually going to glue these down in high speed so you don't actually have to watch it. And then I'll show you my layout. I'll come back towards the end of the video and, show you the layout and that sort of thing. I'm back. So some of these tags are a little bit on the heavyweight side for the regular gel medium. So I am going to go back in with my glue stick after I heat set this to dry, or the ultra heavy gel medium. I'm actually out of the ultra heavy at the moment. Got it on order, so can't wait till it comes in. But that's better for these thicker tags. The dress ones are especially giving me a hard time. But anyway, this is just kind of, oh, if you're wondering what this little tool was that I used to press things in, it is the silicone collage brush. It's wonderful because it's got this end where I could use it to press things in, kind of like a bone folder. And then this is great for smoothing things down. And because it's made of silicone, I just let the glue dry on there and it peels right off. It's super easy cleanup. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, or shoot me an email, or, you know, whatever, reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions. If you like this video and you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, tell your friends, all that kind of good stuff. And I can't wait to see you next time. Stay tuned to see the image of the finished journal page at the end of this video. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.